This is a butterfly origami out of a HACKiBill or a regular dollar bill. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing, we're going to fold it in half this way. Just like that. All right, we're going to flip it over on this side, and we're going to fold right along that line right there. So that's cool. It's what the HACKiBill is. So make them line up a little bit better. And then we're going to fold this down, so crib it back upon itself halfway there to there. Go. Turn it over, do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to take that right there, on that point, and fold it back down like that. Boom. There we go. Then we're going to take this whole thing and fold it in half. Right? There it is. That way. Okay, so now the first thing we're going to do, well, next thing we're going to do. Okay, now we're going to do this. Fold this way. Like that. Okay, take this part, open it up, push that down into there, push that right there, and then we're going to make sure this comes to like a good point right there. Make sure that lines up in the middle point. Right, the middle lines that up, and then we're going to push these down. There. Same thing with the other side. So we're going to flip it back this way, take it, and we're going to fold this back on itself right there. Try and align that part up as much as possible. Put our thumb in there so that when we push this down, it stays poked into there. Put your finger like that, press down, and fold. That one like that. All right, so I have it so that I turn around like this, and then I can see the one world's on this side, home. And I push this part, fold it along that line right there, back to there. Like that. Okay? Then I take this part, flip it around like this, so it's open like that. And then we're going to take our finger in here, push this down, so it goes like this, part's flattened, so push it down like that, comes to a point right there, and then like that. And there's other side, same thing, push it to there, so it comes to a point in there, line up so they somewhat mirror that side. You want these to kind of look the same. It's not exactly necessary per se, but it looks a little bit nicer that way. So that's like that. I'm going to take this part, fold it up like that, and then push it down like that. All right, and then this point comes up here, and that just expands that wing. Okay, I'm going to take this part right here, push it in, just like that. And then this side we do the same thing, and then we come in here and just push it down like that. Again, this side doesn't need to be precise. They're not precise. They're wings. Boom. And then I sometimes fold this like this, just for the fun of it. You can fold it any way you want. You can, or not fold it, but folding it kind of gets a little bit better, that side. Now the same thing we do with the other side. We're going to take this part, fold it down, whoops, like that. That much of a thing on there. Crimp it in, push it down, flatten it. Then come to the back side, push it down that way. Take this, fold it like that. Okay. Then we're going to take this thing, fold it down like that. Push one side like that. Take this other wing, fold it up like that. And there you have it. The reveal. The Craniogami or the Origami butterfly. This is the prettier side. Fold your brain to shape at craniogami.org.